Ken over here at EasyHOA. Just want to make this quick video to show you how the email tool works in the EasyHOA software and how to send emails out to owners in your community. First, you're going to log into the software. You're going to go over here to the left-hand side under this main menu item called Email, Text, and Phone. You're going to hit that drop down, and then you're going to hit the email page. When I click on that, it's going to bring you to your inbox. So this is the inbox for the community. I don't have any emails in here right now, but if you did have emails in here, it would show a list of all the emails in your inbox. At the top of this page, you will see these other buttons. So you've got your inbox button, sent, archive, trash. So that's just how you're going to get to those other messages, the messages that you've sent or maybe archived messages. This button right here, system generated notifications. If you click on that, this is kind of cool. This is actually going to show you all the emails or messages that the software sent out automatically based on your settings. So for example, like this past due notification was sent out to this owner because they were past due, and we have settings in the software to send that message automatically. And then over here it'll say, when it was sent, and then that if it was delivered or not. So that's kind of cool. If I go back to the inbox, I'm going to click inbox. You'll see this compose button over here to the right. And this is how you compose an email and send it out to the owners. So you're going to click on compose, and the first thing you can do is you can select a template here at the top that you want to send out. So if it is a template you want to send out, you're just going to click this drop down. If I want to send out a past due notice, I'll select this past due template, and then you got to hit choose over here to the right. When I hit choose, that's going to load the template down here into this text box. You can change this content down here as much as you want. So if you want to customize it, you can. And so once you get to this point, this is the email that you're going to send. This is showing you the email that you're going to send out. Then you're going to come down here and hit next. When you hit next, it's going to bring you to this page where you've got different email groups. So these are groups of people that you can send emails to. And then you've got this select units or owners to add to the email to send out. So for example, the way this works is you're going to hit this drop down. If I want to load all owners, so if I select all owners, now I can hit add everyone, and that's going to add all the owners. So that would be meaning that I'm going to send an email to all owners. If I want to just say select past due, I'm going to hit past due, and this is only going to bring up past due owners. And if I hit add everyone, it's going to add all of my past due owners into the VCC field. So I'll do that right now. I'll hit add everyone, and then you'll see down here it loads all these emails. So it loads 5 emails down here. These are 5 people that are behind. I can X those out if I want. So see, if I don't want to send it to all 5, I can hit this little X button and take them off. You'll see right here it's a BCC, so it's going to blind copy everyone. If this drop down right here is connected to this email groups drop down up here. So right now I have the email groups set at past due owners. So that means this drop down is only going to show my past due owners in it. So again, if I want to add one of those that I deleted back on, I'll click that. Now we'll add them back into this field. And so those are kind of some of the tricks here to send that email. You've got to make sure that you have the right group selected, and then you add the owners down here to the email, and they've got to show up down here in this box to send to. Once you get to this point, then you're going to hit preview and send. That's going to now preview this message that you want to send out to these past due owners. Right here in the BCC field, these are the owners that you're going to send that notification to right here. You can edit those. I can edit the message right here if I click this little edit button over to the right. But if everything looks good, then you're just going to go ahead and hit send. Oh, that's not a good email, so it's going to give you an error message. But you're going to hit send, and then that's going to send this message out. So that's how you send an email message in the software. Hope that helps you. If you got any questions, just email support or give us a call and reach out to us. Thanks.